Welcome back. We are on part 2 now of Learning with a Little Tweet. We are doing day 11 of our CMS required curriculum. It's Monday, April 6th. This section will be math and social studies is today. So here's what you're going to need, parents. So help your child collect these things if they don't have them already. For math, you're going to need this paper. It says, I can draw a teen number at the top. Then this one. It says, I can draw a teen number on 10 frames. And then this one as well. So you'll need these 3 papers for math, and this is what you're going to need the scissors for, is this one. So if you haven't gotten scissors yet, get some scissors. And for social studies, you don't need anything. All right? Pencil, of course, pencil. Okay, guys, it is time to get your materials. So you're going to pause the video and get materials. All right, hopefully you have everything you need for math. We're going to start with math. So our lesson says count to 100 by ones, and then hop on your left foot while you count to 100 by tens. Oh my goodness, that is maybe a little bit tricky. If counting to 100 by ones is easy for you already, maybe you can do the hopping while you count to 100 by ones as well. I think Little Tweet is going to count with us. You ready? Let's count together. And maybe Little Tweet will hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, on your head now, Little Tweet. Poor Little Tweet. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Flip back over. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, how about hop on the crayons? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, what should we do next? Oh, I have a picture of a bunny. How about hop on the bunny? Actually, Mrs. Cheryl painted that. We're at 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. What comes after 49, guys? 50. Poor bunny. I'm sorry, little bunny. How about kitty can hop now? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now together. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Now I'm going to bring like a little turtle guy. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Oh no, hold on. I wanted to see if the turtle could stay there. Here we go. Let's have little doggy now. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. And the grand finale, how about the elephant? Look at that cute little elephant. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, I hope you guys counted with me, and I hope you're becoming experts at counting to 100. Now it's time for you to do some hopping. I can't make all these guys hop at the same time, but I can make my phone hop. So it says hop on your left foot while you count to 100 by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, everybody. Okay. Now, let's read the first directions for our paper. It says, today's number is 11. Draw 11 smiley faces in a circle or line and as an array in your math journal or on paper. Write the number 11 below each picture. Use the I Can Draw a Teen Number graphic organizer on page 5 to help you. So that is this paper right here. I can draw a teen number. This is what you need. And the first direction says to draw 11 smiley faces either in a circle or in a line. Okay, so did it say smiley faces? Yes, it did. Okay, I am just going to do mine in a line. One. I'm actually just going to do the circles first, and then I can turn them into smiley faces later. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, I ran out of room. I'm just going to go down here. 11. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, and then I would turn each of those into smiley faces. I'm not going to take the time to do that though, okay? Now, as an array, here's the thing, guys. We haven't even learned about arrays, nor do I even know how to make the number 11 into an array, because usually it's like equal rows. And you can't really put the number 11 in equal rows, but maybe we'll just do splitting it up in any sort of rows. Okay, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so I did it in rows. You know what we forgot at the top? My number is 11. We forgot to write that at the top. All right, then you're going to fill in the counters to show 11. You're going to draw counters to show 11 10 frames. Oh, no, sorry. You're going to show the number 11 in the 10 frames, and that is something we have practiced in school. So think about how many you're going to put in the first 10 frame, and then how many you're going to need to put down in the second 10 frame. All right, guys, I'm going to give you some time to work on that on your own. So you may pause the video and get to work. All right, everybody, nice job. So our next direction says draw 11 smiley faces on the I can draw a teen number on blank 10 frames handout on page 6. That would be this. See where it says day 11? I guess that's why we're doing the number 11. That's awesome. So we have 2 10 frames here. We just did this on the other paper, but I guess they want us to do it again. So you're going to draw 11 smiley faces in these 10 frames. Now remember, you're not filling both of these 10 frames up completely. You only want 11 smiley faces. So figure out how many you need over here, and then how many, whoops, sorry, little elephant, how many you need to put in the second 10 frame to make 11. And don't forget to double check your counting. All right, pause the video. It's time to work. Awesome job, guys. This is our last math activity. So you're going to need this paper. And what it says to do first, we're going to make a game out of this, but what it says to do first is to cut out the filled 10 frames on page 8. That's this. So your first job is to cut these out. So you're just going to cut, I would cut all the way around like that. And then I would just cut them into strips like this between the 10 frames. And then you can also cut them this way too. So I'm going to go ahead and have you pause the video and get your cutting done, and then I'll show you how to play the game. So pause and cut. Okay, friends, you should have all of your pieces cut out now. And here are the directions for your game. It says, put them in a stack. Mine are sort of in a stack. Take a card and say the number you need to make 10. Repeat until all cards are gone. Store your filled 10 frame cards in a sandwich bag. So I guess when we're done playing the game, you're gonna keep these because we might use them another day, I guess. Okay, so here's how you play. Now, you can have stuffed animals play with you if you want to. Maybe you could even feed them to them. Ooh, that's a good idea. So I see that there's one counter on here. They want me to say how many more counters I need to fill up the 10 frame. So since there's already one, I need 9 counters to fill up this 10 frame. Ready, elephant? This has 2 counters already, so I need 8 to fill up the 10 frame. Oh, 8 again. Oh my goodness. 8 again. I think these are in order. I think you need to mix them up. Okay, so here I have 3 counters already, so I need 7 more to fill up my 10 frame. So I would say 7. let me mix these up a little bit. Oh, here's one. So I already have 9 counters. I only need one more. So my answer is 1. All right, you guys go ahead. You can play that game. And then remember, when you're done all of these pieces, you can put them in a bag and save them for later. Go ahead and pause the video while you play that game and then come back in a little bit for social studies. All right, so you're done with math, and the last thing we're going to do is social studies. We are starting a new unit on maps. Now, that might be a new topic for some of you, and right here it wants you to talk to someone about what you already know about maps. Why don't you think about what you already know about maps, and then you can tell a little tweet. So take about 10 seconds to think about if there's anything that you already know about maps. And then tell a little tweet what you know about maps. Little tweet thinks that's very interesting, right, little tweet? Okay. We're going to go ahead and watch this little link. It reads a book that teaches us some information about maps, and then we'll answer some questions. Hopefully it works. Here we go.
Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to do a little more reading for the little ones today. Hey, fun with maps. A map is a drawing of a place. A map shows us where we are. It shows us how to get around too. A map can be of a small place. This is a map of Phil's room. How many windows do you see? What is next to Phil's bed? What is by the door? A map can be of a big place. This is a map of a town. What places do you see on the map? Which street is the market on? What is by the firehouse? How would you walk from the school to the library? A map can be of a fun place. This is a map of a park. The symbols on maps stand for real things. On this map, benches stands for a place to eat lunch. A key tells what the symbols mean. Match the symbol in the key with the one on the map. What symbol stands for the pond? What does the swing set stand for?
Oh my.
A map can be of an imaginary place. This is a treasure map. What routes could you take to get to the chest of gold? This map could help you a lot. All right, everyone, that's all for today.
Okay, that was interesting. Here's what I'm thinking. It has some questions that it wants us to think about, and we're going to do that. But then I have an idea for something that you can do on your own. So it says, why do you think we need maps? What do you think? Why do we think we need maps? I think we need maps to help us to know where to go and to help us to know where things are. And they didn't mention, but you can have maps of even the whole entire world. So this is a map of the whole world. So they can show small things like your room or really big things like the whole world. But maps can really help us out. And then this also says, if you were making a map, what would you draw on it? Well, we'll talk about that more later because I think we're out of time, but I like how that book mentioned treasure maps. I think it would be really fun if you guys took a blank piece of paper and drew a treasure map. Maybe put a treasure in your room and then draw where the treasure is hidden. All right, have fun with that. Little Tweet says, good job today. See you next time.